time has come. The benevolent bank is ready. Make sure you are too. The benevolent bank stands at 1500 Pennsylvania. You're going to rob it. Preparation is vital.
Juicy score in the Diamond District, people. Eyes for everyone. Let's strike a counter or two. Bag up a bank. There's a jewelry store downtown that just received a temporarily holding stacks of cash in transit. Foreign exchange notes. Anyway, you know how to do it. Your way. Sneak in silent or unleash hell. Either way, I got a little idea for how to lift the money out of there. You'll see what I mean. I think you'll like it. Remember the plan. Get the key cards, keep the civilians... Two ways to go about this, gentlemen. Go loud. You know how to do that. But if you're hoping to raise your game, look for 2 key cards and unlock the vault. Car trunks are a good place to look.
Come on.
Remember where the ladder is, gang. You can access the roof from there. There must be key cards around the place. They can help you get in quietly.
Yeah, it's go time.
All of you, down! On the deck! Everyone on the deck! Down on the ground! On the ground,
down,
people!
All of you!
And don't even think about
Stay
me.
down!
What'd I say?
Stay down, all of you!
Everybody stay put!
Stay still!
In that dirt, dude!
Stay down, everybody!
Sounded like someone was breaking in, but that was just my shoe squeaking.
Everybody, stay down!
down on your
Stay
faces.
down, all of you. Nobody move. Nobody moves.
Follow me. What I say, stay low.
That's one of the key cards for the
Follow me.
vault, but you need another. Keep looking.
Stay down, all of you.
Everybody don't move.
Great, 2 key cards. That's what we need. Get to work and open that vault.
On your face. Front leaning rest.
Stay down, everybody. Don't move. Stay down. Stay still. Stay where you are. Stay down, everybody. Stay down, everybody. Everybody stays down. Stay down.
Watch your fire with the sieve.
Great. Now just wait for that time lock to run down. So far, this is textbook stuff. Be ready to bag the cash when it opens.
Stay down, people. You don't want to move. I don't want to Nobody mess,
move.
so don't move. Stay down. Everybody stays down. Nobody move. Nobody move. No one go anywhere. Nobody go anywhere.
T-minus
Everybody
2:30.
stay where you are. Stay down.
One of you guys answer the phone and pass me through. Good afternoon, Roberts Bank. This is Randolph speaking.
Hello, I'd like to inquire about making a deposit about my goldfish.
Follow me.
You rejected me last time, but I've put some pennies in it this time, so it should be alright.
Thank you for your call. We look forward to hearing from you again.
Stay down, everybody. Stay still. Nobody moves. Come along now. Stay down, everybody. Stay down,
One
everybody.
of you guys answer the phone and pass me through. Good afternoon, Roberts Bank. This is Randolph speaking.
Everybody
I need
stay
to
down.
talk to someone about my 401k.
I'm putting you through to our CEO. Please hold.
Get down on the ground. Get down. And keep quiet. Come on, come on.
Minute to go. One mic.
All right. One more minute till the time lock opens the vault.
Stay down, people.
On your face. On the deck. Eat that
Stay
dirt.
down, everybody.
Get down.
Stay.
30 seconds.
One of you guys answer the phone and pass me through. This is Roberts Bank. How may I help you today?
This is Hillary over at
Stay where you
GenSec.
are.
Just checking in. Is Barney there?
Barney is not available right now. Can I take a message?
You stay where you are.
Yeah, tell him his ass is on the line if he isn't available for the regular time lock check-in.
Almost there, gang. Any second now.
Don't move.
Vault's opening. Get in there. Bag that cash.
This is the spot.
Stay down, everybody.
Lie down.
Keep
Now
that
get down.
phone squared away. Stay down, everybody.
I'm not gonna tell you your business, but collateral damage like this gets expensive.
Everybody stays down. Don't try to make any calls.
That's GenSec. Get ready to deal with them.
Oh yeah, sleepy, but otherwise good. I mean, mostly good.
One of you guys answer the phone and patch me through.
Sorry about that, you know protocol.
Piles of green. That's why we're in this business, gang. The alarm sounded, but it's too late for the vault. Get it empty, as fast as you can.
Everybody stay down.
Police units just got here. Guys repelling from that chopper to the roof. Get at them.
Receive that, broadsword. I see the marker. On approach. Over.
Hands up, head down.
I'm going to have the ground team assemble the cage on the back roof. Over.
Request decline, broadsword. Over and out.
This isn't a request. Get your eyes into position for a roof pickup, or I'll see whole squadrons of F-16 scrambled in your direction.
Roger that, broadsword. And if I don't make it, tell my wife she's...
The pickup is on its way. Not much margin for error here. Get to the roof. There's an extraction team coming from the civilian station. I thought you were professional. This isn't professional. Brace yourselves. The cops are freeing civilians right now. Watch where he drops the bags. Grab them, assemble the cage, and set up the balloon. You're gonna like this.
Almost there. Target in sight. Over.
The roof is the target for the plane, so the cage needs to be built there. There, take advantage of it now.
Bag over here.
You got busted. You've killed a few civilians. The police are hesitant to set up a trade. We'll have to wait for them to make up their minds. Sit tight. More cops in heavy gear approaching. Show him who's boss. Hostage rescue attempt underway.
Now go! Run to safety!
They're up in the attic with snipers.
Hard
breather. Now it's time to work. Shit, we got bad cops moving in. Real bad cops. Keep your heads down.
These guys can hold out for long.
Things are heating up. Those are snipers.
Shield down! Shield
Here they
down!
come.
Shit, I need a fucking medic bag!
Hold them off while I find the best way out for you guys.
Thanks!
Units converging on their position from all directions. Cops, SWAT, feds, hell, even the National Guard are on the way. We need to find another way out. There's an access hatch to the sewers over by the gas station. Go there and get down.
Thanks, Neil.